How to remove phone number from Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove phone number from Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook. So open up your Facebook app and make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, head over to the menu option on the bottom right. And after you're on the menu, on the top, you'll find the settings gear icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you should be on your settings and privacy. Now head over to Meta Accounts Center, tap on it, and there you'll find yourself with your account settings. Now under account settings, you'll find your personal details. Tap on it. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to head over to your contact info section. Tap on the contact info, and there you'll find your phone number. Now tap on your phone number. I'll just be showing you an example with my email. So after you tap on your phone number, you'll find an option to delete your phone number on the bottom. All you have to do is tap on delete email or delete phone number and then confirm the deletion. And that's that simple. That is how you can remove your phone number from Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.